thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We discuss what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis. Sometimes it could come from the economic calendar, sometimes it could come from the headline news or geopolitical, combination of both. But sometimes it can get really confusing out there where when the market sentiment changes and it can catch by people a little blindly. And what that does that mean? It's just that now good news is now bad news and vice versa. And we try to give a breakdown and explanations as to what's going on, why it's happening, and hopefully give you the information you're seeking in the video here. A little bit about myself, because I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender. We do loans in all 50 states, so I'd love to be able to help you guys out if you guys got any refinance or purchase needs, so please reach out. But more than that, we'd like to be here for you guys as a resource. So if you guys have any questions, again, please reach out. We're here to, we'll try to help you guys out as much as possible. Without further ado, we'll jump right into it. We'll start off with the economic calendar. We do every week. Every Wednesday get a report by the MBA, which is the Mortgage Loan Activity Report. Kind of lets us know how loans are, if they're going down, up, loan applications are being taken, are being up or down each week. And as we can see here, the purchase side of it actually decreased from 254,000 down to 234,000, and then we went from 1,023,000 on the purchase side of things down to 930. So as you can see, mortgage loan activity is drying up quite a bit here. A lot of it obviously due to the spike in interest rates over the last over this start of this year. So that's having a bit of an impact. Now, next item here is, well, actually it's really the only major one, really only one we really look at. This is the pending home sales for the month of March. Went from 149.9 thousand, excuse me, for the seasonally adjusted units for the month of February, and it got increased slightly to 105. Now, when March came around, it reported down down to 103.7, so that's a 1.2% drop in the market right there. Now, today we do have a couple of auctions, the 2-year and 5-year auctions. 5-year could potentially have a little bit of an impact, as we've seen in the past. That one's just getting over, but as it was at 10 a.m. Pacific Coast time, and we're just after that by about quarter after, and I don't see much activity in the market. So right now it doesn't look like it's having much activity. The mortgage, this was going kind of between 17 and 20 bips so far, and so as you can see here, we're up quite a bit, and then we've dropped quite a bit, and then we've been kind of working our way upwards a little bit here. So we have been improving a little bit. We're off the lows, as you can see, which is good news because it could have been worse. But we are down from yesterday's high yesterday. I believe we closed up by 23, 25, up 25 basis points, I believe it ended up yesterday. But as we've been saying, we get these 1 or 2 days in a row where they'll be good, and then we'll get a head fake. The next day it just kind of tumbles. So this isn't as bad as we've seen in the past, where we've had some much stronger reversals. But again, it is a reverse in pricing, so pricing did worsen a little bit today compared to yesterday's close at rates at yesterday's close. So just to compare it, it's not a huge difference, but it'll be a little bit of a difference in the pricing here. All right, so 10-year treasuries, we did see it jump up a little bit. We're up to about 2.8 now, and that could be continuing to rise as well. It's something we'll keep our eye on as it starts to approach this technical ceiling right now. And last but not least, we'll touch on the average rate for conforming limit that has points built in it. Right now, 30 years at 5.28, and the 15-year is at 4.71% right now. So again, they do have points built into it. A lot of variables go into it, but if you are seeking to get a rate quote, we can please reach out. We can certainly accommodate. We're here for you guys. But if you guys like these videos, please help us out. Smash that like button. But again, if you guys have anything, need anything, questions about anything, we're here. So please reach out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.